Ever wondered how to grow watermelons and make money? Well, today you're about to find out. Imagine having a lush green backyard brimming with ripe, juicy watermelons, and guess what? It's not just for your kitchen table, but a means to generate some extra income. We'll guide you through the basics of watermelon cultivation, nurturing your plants, harvesting, and even strategies to sell your produce. Stay tuned if you want to turn your backyard into a profitable watermelon plantation. First things first, let's understand the basics of watermelon cultivation. This sweet, refreshing fruit thrives in warm climates, with temperatures between 70 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit being ideal. Watermelons also prefer a long growing season of at least 3 months of consistent warmth. Now, let's talk soil. Watermelons prefer well-draining soil, rich in organic matter. A sandy or loamy soil with a pH between 6 and 7 is perfect. And space? These sprawling plants need plenty of it. Think about 15 feet apart for each plant. Choosing the right watermelon variety is key. There are numerous varieties, each with unique characteristics. Some are small and sweet, others large and juicy. Some have a short growing season, others need more time. Research and select a variety that suits your climate and market demand. With these basics in mind, you're ready to start planting. Now it's time to get your hands dirty and start planting those watermelon seeds. Let's begin with preparing the soil. You want a well-draining, sandy or loamy soil that's rich in organic matter. To make it ready, turn and loosen the soil with a garden fork or tiller, then mix in a layer of compost or well-rotted manure. This not only enriches the soil but also improves its texture, ensuring your watermelon plants get the best start. Next, you're ready to plant the seeds. Watermelons like warmth, so it's best to wait until the soil has warmed up in the spring. Make small mounds of soil spaced about 10 feet apart and plant about 3 seeds per mound, about an inch deep. Once the seeds are in, water them well. Watermelons are thirsty plants and need plenty of water, especially during the growing season. But remember, it's better to water deeply and less frequently, rather than little and often. This encourages the roots to grow deep into the soil. As your watermelons grow, they'll need some care. Regular watering is essential, and so is fertilizing. Use a balanced fertilizer to provide the necessary nutrients. And don't forget about pest control. Keep an eye out for common pests like aphids and beetles and deal with them promptly. Remember, patience is key. It's all worth it when you see those watermelons start to grow. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for: harvesting and selling your watermelons. Knowing when to harvest is a crucial part of the process. Watermelons don't continue to ripen after being picked, so timing is everything. The first sign of readiness is the change in color. The skin of the watermelon will shift from a bright, glossy green to a more dull, darker hue. Another telltale sign is the appearance of the field spot. This is the area of the watermelon that's been resting on the ground. As the fruit ripens, this spot will turn from white to a creamy yellow color. Once your watermelons are harvested, it's time to sell. There are numerous avenues to consider. Local farmers markets are a great place to start, offering a direct connection with customers who value fresh, locally grown produce. Grocery stores are another viable option, particularly if you've grown a sizable crop. But don't overlook the power of the internet. Online platforms are increasingly popular for selling produce. Websites and social media can help you reach a wider audience and even attract repeat customers. However, selling your watermelons is not just about finding a market, it's also about marketing. Building relationships with customers is key. Share your story, the love and care that goes into growing each watermelon. This will not only help sell your current crop, but also lay the groundwork for future sales. With hard work and a bit of marketing savvy, you could be making a nice profit from your watermelon plantation. So what have we learned today? It's clear that growing watermelons can be both rewarding and profitable. We've seen that understanding the basics of watermelon cultivation, from selection to planting, is vital. Equally important is the art of caring for your plants, ensuring they grow into healthy, juicy fruits. And let's not forget the power of effective marketing, turning your delicious harvest into a lucrative business. Now you're ready to turn your watermelon dreams into a profitable reality. Happy planting, P.
Keep making money. See you at the top.